Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see or access the old versions of a website. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to write archive.org with a forward slash and write web. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Once the site responds, here you can see you need to write the URL of which you want to get the previous versions. Now, for example, if I write here facebook.com. Now let's say what it generates. Here you can see the data of which the site have been updated. They have the previous data as well, and you can see the multiple data. The site have been customized 6 million times. And here you can see go to this changes or the sitemap, where you can find the screenshots of that particular sites, the previous versions screenshots of that site, or you can check the summary as well or the changes as well. So by this method you can easily access or check see the previous versions of any website you want. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.